So I say all of that stuff to just say, man, sometimes it really just takes courage. Sometimes it really just takes you stepping outside of your comfort zone. Sometimes it just takes you having belief in yourself. You know what I mean? Sometimes it just takes stuff like that in order to take yourself to the next level and take that step in the right direction. Now, when I tell you guys that story, all of that stuff didn't happen in one night. That was months and months and months of time, and it happened over a course of 1 year. But that was a lot of months of preparation and guidance and mentorship and failing and not getting answers and getting no's and getting doors slammed in your face. It was all of that stuff, right? And the average person would have quit. An average person would have said, I'm not doing this. And a lot of people that came up in the same course that I came up in did quit. They said, I ain't doing this. I'm not finna market. I'm not finna try to paint no house. I'm not finna hire nobody. I'm not finna do this. I'm not finna do this. A lot of people that came up in my same class did quit before they even could make it to the actual painting the house and actually learning and actually being able to benefit from all that money that came in from simply painting people's houses. So at the end of the day, man, follow this channel. My job is to give you as much value as possible so that you too can take the first step when it comes to real estate investing. Partner with a company like my company who does this every single day with other real estate investors just like yourself. Partner with Grandiose Capital. We got access to money, billions of dollars. Like I said, we can do gap funding. If you need down payment money, we can do that, right? If you need, a bridge loan, we can do bridge loans. We can do fix and flip loans. We can do 40-year mortgages. We got rates as low as 4% for gap funding. We got rates as low as 5 point. You know what I mean? I hate getting into rates because obviously the year is 2023, June 27th. So obviously rates are extremely high. So I hate getting into rates on these videos because I know these videos last for a very long time, right? So I'm not going to get into rates, but let's just put it like this. We're extremely competitive. We're extremely competitive. We have access to private money. So we have access to funds. We have access to funds that are raised by everyday people. You know what I mean? I have access to a fund right now that is $500 million that's raised by everyday people. They just put their money into the fund and they get their returns. You know what I mean? And the fund manager, me and him, that's like my right-hand man. You know what I mean? So at the end of the day, man, it don't take much but courage to get started. And if this is something that you want to get started with, reach out to me, DM me, message me, follow me on Instagram, whatever the case is, and I can give you an easy step-by-step guide on exactly how to get started and start making millions, because that's where all the wealth is at. Because real estate is one of the only investments that you can force appreciation. It's not like the stock market where you got to wait for it to go down and try to buy it when it's low. And if it don't go down and you don't catch it at the right time, you ain't going to make no money, right? This is something where you can force appreciation. You can negotiate a deal with the seller. You can make them sell it for lower than what it's actually worth. And then you can take advantage of all that appreciation that you just stumbled upon because this person needed to get out of the house quickly, or they were distressed, or something was going on in that person's life. And contrary to what you believe, there's stuff going on in people's life every single day. You know what I mean? Things pop up, medical bills pop up, people don't want houses no more. All kinds of stuff happen. People got to move quickly in a short period of time. All kinds of stuff can happen where people need to get out of their situation, and they need somebody like you who's an investor that can help solve their problem, and you can make a whole lot of money on the back end of that. So I tell you guys this stuff to tell you it ain't hard, but it do take courage. You know what I mean? It ain't hard, but it do take courage. So with that being said, thank you guys for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next video. Take care. Peace. Hey, thank you for watching this video. If you want to book a one-on-one mentorship call with me, click the link in the bio. Whether you make less than $200,000, you need help getting there, or you make more and you want to jump into real estate investing, click the link in the bio, book a call with me ASAP.